So here we are, we're on week 9 of the loft conversion now. I thought I would come up and just give you a little view of what's been going on this week. The work has sort of slowed down a little bit, as the lads did say that would happen over the coming weeks. He said you see all the massive changes over the first 3 or 4, but then it starts to slow down when the work becomes a little bit more intricate. So I'll just take you down the side now and show you what's been happening today. So if we come along the side now, you can see the renderers have been in and they've started today. Getting this all primed and ready to be finished tomorrow. So they tell me, so we've started there. They've got all up there. So this is new, all the soffit, that's underneath there, that's up and down the sides. And then if we come along the back, got the soffits on under there as well. I can't remember if I showed you that last time, but just play with the camera, there you go. So you can see the white soffits with the black gutters on the roof there. And then I'll just take you down the side. I think this is what we're waiting on, for the lads to come and finish down the side as well. Yeah, so up there you can see it just needs finishing off. We'll zoom into there. And then I think the scaffolding can come down after that. And the roof will be completed, and then it's just the inside's what will need finishing off. So I'll take you inside now and just show you where the room's up to, give you a little reminder of what's happened in there now. So let's get back down these ladders over here. The lads are here early this morning, here at 7:30. We've got the eco rend which will be going on. So let's get down these ladders. I'll switch this camera off. Come in and switch the lights on. And yeah, still as you remember now. All done. Don't think there's actually much left for the bedroom. It's more the bathroom. So we come into here. Toilets in, towel heater, just needs connecting. We've got the black shower with the black shower quadrant on the pink tiles with the black grout, and then we've got white tiles with the black grout everywhere else. So we're just waiting on the vanity unit to get installed there. That's downstairs, that's here. Then yeah, as soon as that's installed, I think we're good to go. We can get it all plumbed in. But yeah, that was just a little quick update for week 9. I will get out tomorrow. As I say, the lads are back tomorrow to finish off the rendering. So hopefully that'll all be sorted as well. So let's see what happens tomorrow. So we're actually into week 10 now. The lads couldn't come back during last week when he started the rendering because of the weather. It's been torrential raining for the past couple of days. So they've been back today. They've finished off the render, so I'll just take you down the side now and give you a quick look at what it looks like. So as you can see, it's looking absolutely spot on. The lads turned up today at 7:30. They've been here, they got off at 5 o'clock, but all done in one day. Some great detail on there. Going right the way down. And this also matches the front of the house as well. You've got a detail around there, and bordered right along. So we just had the news that the scaffolding is coming down around the house today, so I'm going to go up for probably one last time now and have a last little check and show you what the extension looks like. Now it's finalised. One last go up here. So a final look at the roof here. We've got all brand new tiles on there, 2 windows looking out onto the front, and then here's the render that was done last week. Great finish on that, nice and tight to the windows. Pipework now is all plumbed in and into the main pipes along the side there, and then here's the roofs at the back. Got Charlie inside now, he's just fitting the bathroom. Tile that was broken there, that's now fixed. You see the gutter that runs along the top, that's all being put in. And running down the side there as well. And this is the finished article from the outside. So one last walk along this way. All the gutters are being put in and cleaned along the front and down the side there as well. All the gutters put in down there. And there you go, it's the outside of the extension. So just a bit of an update now on week 12, I think it is. The scaffold is coming down today, so you can see already it's all gone from up here down the side. It's starting to come down over here as well, so hopefully that'll all be gone today. Then we're going to be able to get the 2 new windows in there. The 2 new windows in there, they're going to be great to match the extension. The lads have actually been back yesterday, and I'll just zoom in a bit there so you can see down the sides of the window, down there and down there. They've changed the white plastic sheets that they put on, and they've put the tiles on to match the roof and the loft conversion. So yeah, it's all looking good, bit of progress finally after the slow couple of weeks, but yeah, we're going again. There he is there, doing it all on his own. So there you have it. Scaffolding's all gone. New windows to go in here. And then it's nearly done.